What's going on, everyone? Mr. Tightlines here. I am out with Nate and Sam. We are at a new water source here in New Hampshire, and it's supposed to be pretty awesome smallmouth. It's really all there is to say. We're here early. We're going to hit it hard. We're going to hit it fast. There's 3 of us. Hopefully, we're going to find some awesome bass. Catch you out there. Yep. Come on. Gotcha. 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 Woo! Oh, you totally ripped it up. That's a good fish. That's a nice fish. Cheese. Cheese. Yeah. There it is. 17.5 inches. Thanks, girl. Go ahead. Go back. Yes! There's another largemouth over there. No, this is a smallmouth, but I was going for the largemouth and I saw this one on another spot. Whew. You're not gonna be more than 15.5, 16. That largemouth over there is, though. This is 17.5. I get a 1/4 inch out of you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Smile. Yeah, I got you. Thank you. You gave me another 1/4 inch. Go on back to your bed. You're gonna be a good one. Jeez. There it is. There's my first wiggle off that would have helped me. Dang. That's a nice largemouth. Yes. Come on. Come on. I can use you. Come on. Come on. Don't spit it. Don't spit it. Come on. Come on. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Yes. There's another one right there, and another one right there. Go, there's so many. Yes. Smile. Time to see what I see. Huh? What? On a Saturday motorcycle weekend. Dude, hey. Yes. Yeah, Nate. Yes, Nate. Oh, that's a good fish. That is the biggest fish of the day right there. Nice job, Nate. Oh, look at it through here. It looks like an oasis. Does that make any sense? I'm a crazy person, I know, but damn, it looks good through here. Holy shit, there is a lot of clams, huh? I haven't been weighing any of mine. That one's nice. Ooh, now look at the gut. That's a beautiful fish, man. Oh. Oh, yes. That was just from casting it out there and ringing it in. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I don't think you're gonna help. Nice fish though. Whew. Oh boy, that's fun. Nice, nice smallmouth. All right. I adjusted my paddle. I picked up my reel. I felt it. It was tight and moving to the side. I'm like, what? 16 and a quarter. There we go. Alright, so I had a bad SD card, I have a bad cable, so my catches are spotty. I've caught 6 or 7 that you guys haven't even seen. They're all right in that 17-inch range. Trying to get 18 or over, and we're moving up though. We're #1 in the monthly so far, but the month has just started. Wind's picking up. Let's see what happens. That was a good fish. That's a good fish. Nice. What's going on there? Oh, you have a messed up eye. Holy crap. Dang. Nice fish. It's not gonna help, but it is a nice fish. I knew I felt that pulling away. Oh, pretty. Look at your eye. Crazy. think you're gonna help the cause. Nope. Beautiful fish. Send her back to her bed. Ooh, that one's fighting. Holy crap. Oh. Nice fish. Not quite, only 16 and a half. Nice fish. Let's get her back on her bed. Oh yeah, come on. There's another one right here. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I have lost count how many fish I've caught. Nope. Nice fish though. Sorry for all the cars. Right by a major road, and it's bike week. That was fun. Lots of fish caught. I'm gonna make this quick. Caught on every bait I have. Nate went, dropped off Sam, and came back because it was that fun. I caught like 8 or so that you didn't see on camera because of SD card failure and cable failure. But you know what? What a day. Lens is dirty. Hope you can see this. Please like, comment, subscribe, all the amazing things. And remember, until next time, keep those lines tight.